Hi, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today in this video, I want to show you how I like to make apple crisp. I grew up having apple crisp as a kid, and it's become one of my favorite desserts to have in the fall. Let's fire it up.
Okay, so first you're going to need anywhere between 6 to 8 apples, peeled and chopped or sliced, and that depends on the size of the apples that you have. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, I'm going to come in with 1 1/2 teaspoons of some lemon juice. And then after that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and I just want to mix all this together. Get these apples coated with this sugar, cinnamon, and lemon juice. You want to move them around. You want to make sure that you get all that spice, all that sugar, all that lemon juice all over every single apple. And you should see them. They should be nice and light brown, tannish color by the time that cinnamon gets all over them. And once you get them all mixed up, we're going to be ready to make our oatmeal crisp. Now in a separate bowl, I have 1 cup of brown sugar. I have 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of oats, and then I have a stick of butter that's cold, and I've cut it into small cubes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix all this together until you get like a buttery, floury, oatmeal, sugary crumble. And I'm just going to wash my hands really well and do that. And once you're done mixing it together, this is what you should have. You should have something where the butter brings it all together, but it has this really nice crumbly texture to it. And now my helper and I are ready to make some apple crisp.
So now we're
going to take these apples
in the refrigerator.
and we're going to put them right in this big pan. See?
All the dessert for free and more apples.
And then we're going to move them around. See? Now, we've got this stuff right here. I'm going to sprinkle it right on top. See?
Sprinkly.
Gonna help? Sprinkle it, put some right on top. Good job, honey. Get more. Get more.
Yeah.
Get more. Keep putting it on. Okay, good job. Are you a big helper? Big helper. Get some more. Get the last little bit. Okay, now we're ready to put this on the smoker. Yep.
So now I'm going to fire up my Traeger, and I'm going to set it right at 350 degrees and let it come up to temp. And we're running some hickory pellets today. Okay, so it's been about 50 minutes. We've let this apple crisp roll at 350 degrees. Now you can see it's getting nice and bubbly. It smells absolutely incredible. This is going to be so awesome. I absolutely love apple crisp. Time to get this in a bowl with some vanilla ice cream. Give this a taste.
Okay, so here we are. Real simple recipe. Only took about 50 minutes in the smoker to make. I put a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of this, and now I'm going to try this apple crisp. Oh, hot. Hot. Oh man, oh, that is awesome. Some of this ice cream, actually just going to go right for the apple crisp. See how we did. Let's see here. It's gooey, it's buttery, it's crispy. Those pecan pellets in that Traeger and give it a really nice smoky flavor on top. This is just turning into vanilla ice cream apple crisp soup, and I love it. My mom made this a lot when I was a kid, and it's just become one of my favorites. I would even say I like apple crisp better than I like apple pie. Now, that might sound like heresy, but I'm telling you, you gotta try this. There's more of that ice cream. Guys, you just can't beat something like this. If you want to take some salted caramel sauce which I didn't have today. But if you want to take some salted caramel sauce and just drizzle that over the top of this, oh man, that would be good. Not stopping, not stopping. This yellow jacket wants some too, but he's not getting any. That's right, you son of a bitch. Get out of here. Aha, showed him. Man alive. Oh, got some people that are waiting to have dessert. Well, guys, I could just sit here and smash this on camera, but I've got a family and they're ready to dig in too. So I'm gonna have to cut this short, but before I do, if you like what you see here and you like what we're doing on this channel, please give us a subscribe. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and of course YouTube. If you have any interest in Traeger pellet grills, I put a link to them in the description of this video. It's our affiliate link, so please, if you have any interest in them, use that link to check them out. It helps us out big time. Once again, leave your comments in the comments section. Feel free to drop us a message. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll see you next time. Oh, this is just glorious apple diabetes.